Do you feel like giving free rein to your creativity? The Alfa Style 40 is suitable for all types of thick fabrics such as jeans, leather, corduroy. Sews fabrics such as knit, lycra or t-shirts, as it incorporates elastic stitches, but depending on the elastic a different needle is necessary. In addition, the stitch length and stitch width are variable. It is a sturdy and stable machine, since it has 2 metallic reel seats, metal presser foot holder, metal shuttle and bobbin case. It has 31 types of stitches, automatic buttonhole in 4 steps, backstitch, overcasting, elastic overcasting, invisible stitch with overcasting, left and right blind stitch, light decorative stitches, wave scallop stitch, double backstitch, double overlock, honeycomb, herringbone stitch, elastic overcasting, patchwork scallop stitch, stretch stitch, overlock stitch, and decorative cross stitch. Style 40 includes upper thread tension regulator to adapt the seam to the individual fabric, automatic bobbin winder, double presser foot height for thick fabrics, and free arm for tubular garments. It also has white LED light, 6 rows of drive teeth to facilitate the displacement of the fabric, and stitch inversion for back tack stitches. Get the most out of your Style 40.